Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day and thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a very simple and easy makeup look. It's going to take hardly like 10, not even 10. It's going to take hardly like 6 or 7 products and I assure you, you'll be out of the door in no time. So this look I think would be perfect for anyone who wants to wear it for work. It's really simple, not too loud, or if you're a busy mom and you have like little ones running around the house and you just want 10 minutes to yourself to just, make yourself look presentable. Or if you're like me who likes to sleep in for longer in the morning and then you're like rushing through the day to just get ready for work or be out of the door in no time, this look is going to be perfect for you guys. So without further ado, let's get on with this work appropriate quick 10-minute makeup look. So just to sidetrack a little bit, I got this chocolate bar from Lake Champlain Chocolates. It's like a local chocolate company near where I live, and it's the dark chocolate with notes of baked brownie and roasted cocoa. I've had this. Super delicious. A little piece of this. Now every day before I start with my makeup, I like to wipe off my face with some Garnier Micellar cleansing water, and I'm almost out of this. I use this every single day without fail to take off my makeup and just wipe down my face once before I apply anything on my face. So this just helps in clearing out any residue makeup or even taking off makeup that I have on my face. It's delicious, and because it's dark chocolate is really good for your health. I like this. It's not too bitter even though it says 72% dark chocolate. So like I said, I'm almost out of my micellar cleanser and I use this every single day. This is like a oil-based makeup remover. It's really gentle, and I think they have a variation for sensitive skin as well. It says for all skin types, even sensitive, but I have seen like a variation on this, the pink color one. I don't really know the difference between the blue and the pink. I would absolutely recommend this if you want like an easy, quick, and gentle way to take your makeup off. So I'm just going to take some of this on a cotton round and quickly just wipe down my face. I take my makeup off every single night before going to bed. I have made it a habit because, in the first place, it's not good to go to bed with your makeup. It's going to do very bad things for your skin, for your pores. So if you are one of those people who are a little lazy when it comes to taking your makeup off at the end of the day, I would say please stop doing that. Adopt this habit. You're going to do wonders for your skin in the long run. We're all going to age, but if we have the option to age gracefully, why not, right? Alright, so I wiped down my face and I could still see some leftover like foundation or something from the previous night, even though I take really good care of, really making sure that I got rid of all the makeup from my face. Sometimes some things are left behind. So the first thing that I'm going to do is apply some sunscreen. Really important, especially going into those spring summer months. So this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen with SPF 55. Just going to take some of this, like this much, and just put it all over my face, and whatever is left on my fingers I'm gonna drag it down my neck and like chest décolleté area. This is also another like Costco find. I got 2 of these Neutrogena sunscreens for about $10, and I had one 3 fluid ounces size and one is like a 5 fluid ounce size. So that's a good deal. So I like this sunscreen because it doesn't leave that white cast on your face. Next I'm going to take my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. You guys know I absolutely love this moisturizer. Use it every single day. Again, and mostly all the products that I'm going to mention today, I use that on a regular basis, on a daily basis, so I know how they're going to work and how much time I'm going to invest in actually using them every single day. Okay, so the moisturizer is almost dry. Next I'm going to go in with this 3-in-1 Hangover Prime Set Refresh spray. It's just like a coconutty, silicone free, alcohol free spray, just to liven up my face, I guess. Okay, now like I said, we're going to use really simple, easy products today. So I'm going to use my Colourpop Cosmetics No Filter Foundation. This is a really light foundation. It gives you medium coverage. Like on an everyday basis, I'm not going for a full coverage foundation. I don't have a lot to cover on my face, so I think I can get away with a medium coverage foundation. And again, I'm using my Expert Face Brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to shake this a little bit and then directly put it on top of my brush. I really like to just dab this everywhere on my face and neck and then go in and blend, because the thing is, the place where you first apply your brush is where you'll get the most coverage. So if I just start blending on one side of my face, all the foundation will be on one side of my face, so that's not what we want. And throughout this video, you will notice that I've had to edit some parts because I'm not perfect at making videos, and I get nervous, or some words, I just get stuck while getting some words out of my mouth. So there will be edits, but trust me, you don't need more than 10 minutes to do this look. I'll have really like short edits, kinda cheating there, but not really. It's just because of my inability to make perfect videos and, you know, get perfect words out of my mouth. Especially when you're making videos, you're talking a lot. Like if I had to do this without, you know, making a video, I didn't have to talk as much, this process would be much quicker. Okay, the next thing is concealer, and again, a lightweight concealer like Fenty Beauty is going to do the job really well. So I'm going to take this exactly on the areas where I need some extra coverage. So this is right here, spots right here, my little under eye area where I have some darkness, and some spots right here and here. That's it. That's all I'm going to use. And just take the same brush and blend it all out. I forgot to put on some lip balm. This is just a EOS lip balm. It's just gonna like prep my lips for some time before I go ahead and apply any lipstick or anything like that. Alright, so because we're gonna keep this look very easy, simple and quick, I'm gonna use just one palette to do the entire trick. So this is the Maybelline Master Contour by Face Studio, and I've mentioned this palette so many times before. This is an excellent like multitasking kind of product right here. It has a contour, blush and highlight, and I'm going to use all these products not only to do my face but also for my eyes. So you don't need like another eyeshadow palette, another face palette, another pan of contour, bronzer, whatever. You don't need like 15 other things to do your face. This is just all in one kind of palette. So without more chatter, I'm going to take my brush that I used to apply my contour with, and this is optional, okay? If you don't feel comfortable applying any blush, bronzer or whatever, you can just get away with some lipstick, some eyeliner and mascara, and, you know, call it a day. But this is just an option for you guys who want to go the extra mile and, you know, do more for yourself. So I'm just going to lightly, you know, dust it all over my face just to give it some color. And I mean, hey, if you're not comfortable with foundation or concealer also on your face, you know, you can just, you know, do your basic sunscreen, moisturizer on your face, and then just go in with some liner, mascara, lipstick, and that's it. It's just your personal preference. This is just like an option that I'm giving you to do like a quick makeup look. If you want to do these extra steps, you're totally welcome to skip all of these, or, you know, choose whatever you want to do. My nose is really itchy today. I have no idea why. Alright, so I guess I'm happy with that color on my face. I got a new blush brush from e.l.f. and this is their Flawless Face Brush, and the previous brush that I used to use for my blush, it's like a tongue twister, blush brush. Okay, the previous brush that I was using from BH Cosmetics started shedding a lot, so I couldn't wash it anymore. So I had to get a new blush brush from e.l.f. and I'm really happy. It's like the perfect size for applying blush on my face. So while I was talking, my camera decided to stop recording, so I also went ahead and applied some of the highlighter from the same palette. So what I did is, just to quickly give you a roundup, I not only applied on the highest points of my face, but I also took it on the sides of my temple. It just like kind of gives you an even look, I guess. And then I applied some of this on the tops of my nose, point of my nose. Okay. And I really like this palette because all the shades in here are really natural. It's nothing like over the top. The highlighter doesn't like scream at you. So I like that it's really natural. Okay, so the next thing is eyebrows. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Brow Precise micro pencil. I don't love this as much as I used to do my Maybelline Brow Define, but I can't find that anywhere anymore, so that's what I have to work with. This is like so skinny. I've hardly used this like 2 times, and I don't know how many uses I'm gonna get out of this. So let's quickly go ahead and fill in and define my brows. If you want to see how I shape my brows, let me know in the comments below, because I do have really thick brows that like to grow really fast. So let me know if you want to see how I grew my brows. I used to like thread my brows when I was in India, but here couldn't find a good place where I could get my brows threaded for a decent price. There are people who thread your brows and stuff, but they charge a lot, and with the speed that my brows grow, I don't want to spend that amount of money. So I took matters into my own hand. There was a lot of trial and error, but I think I finally got it. So after filling in, I'm just using this spoolie end and just spreading whatever product I had. Garbage trucks here. Every morning, guys, every morning. Story of my life. All right, the second last thing that we're left with is our eyes. So quickly, I'm going to take like a blending brush, go in this contour shade, go in my crease. This is going to be probably the most simplest eye look ever that you can pull off in no time. If you don't want to do all 3 eyeshadows, you can just go in the highlighter shade, apply it all over your eyelids, apply some liner, mascara, be done. Next shade I'm gonna go is this blush eyeshadow. So I'm gonna come on my brush, so I'm gonna use my finger better. It's a really subtle color, so it's work appropriate, I feel like, but definitely feel free to go really heavy with your eyeshadow, which I usually like. Okay, I'm taking another fluffy brush and going under my brow bone with this eyeliner. Just gonna apply a simple black eyeliner on my upper lash line. It's really hard to do this when my eyes are watering from all the sneezing. I'm a winged liner lover, so I have to do a wing liner every single day. Whew, thank you, wing liner gods. My eyes are even. Alright, so the next thing is mascara. I'm going to use my Tarte Lights Camera lashes, and if you want to, you can go ahead and curl your lashes before doing this if your lashes don't like to stand up or they get weighed down from the mascara. So while I'm editing, I'm surely going to laugh at myself for the kind of faces we make while applying mascara. Now while that's drying, I'm going to go and work on my lower lash line. I just apply like a light coat of mascara on my lower lash line. I don't want that doll-like lashes or spider-like lashes on an everyday basis, so just to add in some little color. I used to love applying black eyeliner in my lower waterline, and I feel like it's just so hard to get it off at the end of the day, and I feel like not applying any black eyeliner just, you know, keeps your eyes open, doesn't close it out. The look looks more fresh, if that makes sense. I don't know, but it looks fresh to me. The last and final thing is some lip gloss. I just go back and forth with this. You know, I might apply a lipstick or just a lip gloss or both. So I don't really have like a set routine. I have so many lipsticks that I want to use up, so I just go in between different things. So today I'm going to use the Pat McGrath lipstick in the shade Flesh Fantasy. It's just a nudie pink lip gloss. Nothing too crazy. Alright, that is it. Let me take this hairband out and just make my hair look better.
Connected to Bluetooth.
Okay, Alexa. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is my under 10 minutes everyday simple, easy, effortless makeup look. I think it'll be perfect for you if you are a working woman, a busy mom, or a lazy girl like me who doesn't like to spend a lot of time getting ready in the morning. So I hope this video was helpful to you and you did learn a few helpful tips from me. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and spending your time with me. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a nice big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Friday, please hit that notification bell to be notified. And on that note, like I always say, take good care of yourselves, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.